MUGITHI to the world. Ekora we kuria bũrũri-inĩ wa Australia ukora ukimenya you should be expecting the king of MUGITHI and Karaiko Master. Na SAMIDOH right now is planning on doing a collabo with KHALIGRAPH Jones. SAMIDOH ni arabanga kuruta rwĩmbo kana collabo na muini wa rap wa urban wetagwo KHALIGRAPH Jones. Arapostire bica me haria studio ni na KHALIGRAPH Jones, na KHALIGRAPH ararekia go posti kuria online na arauga kabla mwaka iishe tunawapatia MUGITHI na SAMIDOH Mushoki, mtajua nyinyi. Respect the OGs. Do you kind of late ni realize that MUGITHI is one of the biggest genres of music that is being listened to in the country. Ugigira kuria nende cia TikTok ni urakora ginya Gen Z thaici maraina MUGITHI, maradansi MUGITHI kuria ikoria wikaga riria warakara. And you know right now hena muini wa MUGITHI, the king of MUGITHI right now etagwo Waithaka wa Jeni kana Karaiko Master. Thabarine yake ya MUGITHI kana tour yake ya MUGITHI kuria Australia, na kuria Australia ni egukorwo agithii dashi ithatu ndrenda gutangathire dashi icio ciothe ithatu haha thaici nigetha angikorwo we bũrũri-inĩ wa Australia ekorwo we kuria bũrũri-inĩ wa Australia ukorwo ukimenya you should be expecting the king of MUGITHI and Karaiko Master. Muthenya wa tariki 1 November agakorwo kundu gwitagwo Perth, Abruzzo and Maurice Bowling Club. Muthenya wa tariki 2 agakorwo Adelaide, Kings Reserve, Torrenceville. Na muthenya wa 3 November agakorwo Melbourne, Arrow on Swanton. Agakorwo we Australia ni wega muno ukorwo ugipromote MUGITHI to the world. And right now not to get MUGITHI ni urathi wega, na MUGITHI thaici is one of the biggest genres in Kenya. Na ona tukiuga koguo bado ira nturonire ni araumagaririo ni bebe yake tukirwo na haria airport na kuria yumirie gicanja mana kwari mwari na Kenji muti. And baby top haria andu marugaga ni athiete onake na ku Australia nake, but the truth is that with baby top no kumumagaria ramumagaritie na uroyo ni uratuthurite ndereti nene muno guku online. Andu makiuga he kumbe ni ukweria na kuaga mtu wake, Teria spirit ine ya MUGITHI to the world. SAMIDOH kana muini wa MUGITHI tuge SAMIDOH thaici ni ahaguritwo ni Waithaka wa Jeni the king of MUGITHI, kana murona atia tini dauga no gwiciriria the king of MUGITHI. But on a SAMIDOH right now is planning on doing a collabo with KHALIGRAPH Jones. SAMIDOH ni arabanga kuruta rwĩmbo kana collabo na muini wa rap wa urban wetagwo KHALIGRAPH Jones, Papa Jones the OGs. Na rwĩmbo ru a Kenya ni marotereire na njira nene muno. Arapostire bica me haria studio ni na KHALIGRAPH Jones, na KHALIGRAPH ararekia go posti kuria online na arauga ati it's time kabla mwaka iishe tunawapatia MUGITHI na SAMIDOH Mushoki, mtajua nyinyi. Respect the OGs. Hihi rwĩmbo ruru mena SAMIDOH, what do you expect? What do you expect from that collabo SAMIDOH na KHALIGRAPH Jones? Of course it's going to be lit. Hihi hena dometereire SAMIDOH ni akara apuria bere, hena dometereire maybe KHALIGRAPH Jones ni akaina gikuyu ria bere. There are very many expectations, and ino ni ronania uria industry ya MUGITHI irakura na njira nene, and we really appreciate that. Agikorwo undu ni urathi na mbere wega, kabato kaugaga undu ni urathi na mbere wega. Riu kai kuria Australia Waithaka arauga agikorwo gutire Karaiko kabacoke Kenya arauga afadhali nirudi Kenya kama hakuna Karaiko huku. But we hope that everything is going to be all right. Na bado tukehoka bado ona SAMIDOH nituonaga every end year ni akoragwo na tour ya either US kana Europe kana Korea UAE. We hope that bado ona Kenya arabanga horoshie, because tutimenyera hata SAMIDOH akirekia mwaka atathiete tour ya MUGITHI na kuja. We hope maundu macio ni marabangwo, and we know that things are going to be all right. Maundu ni mekorwo me fiti feel.